Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pamela. If you're new, I am a licensed esthetician as well as a skincare and beauty content creator. And I mean, y'all peep the title. I know y'all peep that thumbnail. It was kind of eating, huh? Now, as I've always said in the past, good makeup application starts with prep work. That means having a solid skincare routine as a base. The one step that you don't want to skip is, of course, sunscreen, even if it's the only step. As I teased before in my previous video, I have been introducing some new skincare products to my routine, and that includes the highly hyped up, highly beloved Elta MD sunscreen. And y'all, I get it. I get the hype. Okay, it's a really solid sunscreen. We'll talk about it more in the future, but it is fantastic for rosacea, hyperpigmentation, and of course acne prone skin. It's worth the hype. I'm not gonna lie, it is. Now again, like I mentioned in my last video, I've been really into skipping makeup altogether and just doing my skincare then leaving, but one product I have gone back to is definitely the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint. I know some people dislike it because they feel like it doesn't do anything, but to be honest, that's exactly why I love it. It's a true skin tint, you know, it's not a lightweight foundation. All skin tints are meant to do is simply even out the complexion. This product never claims to cover spots or blemishes or freckles, and I really like that it just looks like your skin, but better. But of course, for those of us who do have blemishes or simply just want a little bit more coverage in your makeup routine, but still keep it natural, I got you. Highly, highly, highly recommend spot concealing with my favorite. This is the Kosas Revealer Concealer. I personally use Tone 6. It is magical. Seriously. I feel like if you're trying to go for a sort of no makeup or glass skin look, complexion is kind of easy to look more skin-like as long as you're opting for something that's a little bit dewier and a little bit less coverage, but blush is where it really makes the biggest impact, okay? A few weeks ago, I did like mini videos on some of my favorite no makeup brands or just natural makeup brands, and these are two blushes I highly recommend checking out if you have not already. First up, this is the M Cosmetic Color Drop Serum Blush. It comes in a couple different colors and different depths, but it is sheer. It goes on like a serum, as the name implies, and it just leaves this beautiful, truly glassy glow to the skin. Sometimes I do like to layer these two blushes together, but if I'm ever on the go or in a pinch or just want to do something really quick, the Merit Beauty Flush Bomb blushes, so easy. I take these on the go when I'm traveling, especially if you are a beginner. Honestly, this blush is really hard to mess up, so I do recommend. Super easy to use. Both of these blushes are sheer. They're going to truly complement this glass skin look, you know. Now, how you do your brows is totally up to personal preference. I like to just take a brow pencil. This is the one that I have on deck. Ooh, but one of my favorite brow pencils is actually from Refi Beauty. I've been meaning to restock on that one, but another time. Anyway, what I like to do with a brow pencil is just outline the very bottom of the brow, so it just kind of cleans it up a little bit without going in with the whole concealer, powder, and like really carving out the brows. Does that make sense? You know what I'm saying? But it's still like, it just neatens up the bottom, so it really emphasizes that arch or that shape that you're trying to create. And next, y'all know as if I would ever stray away from boy brow. Hilarious. All jokes to me. If y'all have not tried this out and you just want a natural, fluffy brow, I've tried the dupes, as I've said before, and I just, personally, they don't compare to me. Nothing can compete with boy brow. I already warned y'all I was a Glossier stan, okay? You did this to yourselves, because I told you, I did. I also mentioned in my last video, quick shout out to my last video, honestly, because I keep referencing it, but I've been using a lash growth serum for, I can't do the math right now on the top of my head, but it's been months. It's been like over half a year, and now it makes just applying a regular mascara, I mean, again, Glossier stan, so I'm using Lash, but it makes just applying mascara like 10 times better when your lashes are longer, when they've grown. I don't know. I'll have it linked below if y'all are interested in checking out the lash serum too. It's from Babe Lash, the original lash serum in the gold tube. But yeah, y'all, it works, and it's made me fall in love with the simple things, you know, like just applying mascara, and I'm like, all she needs is mascara, and she's out, she's on the go, you know? Last up, I am finishing with my signature lip duo. Absolute signature. I don't even think I've ever strayed from these lip products in a video, and why would I? When it works, it works. This is the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Limitless Brown. If you are a brown girl and you do not have a brown liner, change that today, immediately, add to cart. I pair that liner with good old Merit Beauty. Again, I recommended the Flush Balm. My second recommendation is the lip oil. Bonus points if you pair the colors together, if you get like a little matching duo. Oh my gosh, this lip oil, now truth be told, it doesn't last. I gotta reapply it constantly throughout the day, but look at it. Isn't it gorgeous? Okay, this is the completed look. What y'all think? Right? It's giving glass skin. It looks cute. Yeah. I also realized that outro was super fast, but anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.